Friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about PV diagram for a pure substance, that is pressure volume diagram for a pure substance. For understanding it, we will take an example. Suppose we have a piston cylinder arrangement with water in it. At constant pressure, 1 atmosphere is applied on the piston and we have a heat source under this container. Assume a unit mass of ice that is at minus 20 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere contained in this cylinder and piston machine. Now, when this ice is heated slowly, we all know that it will be converted into water. So, the transformation states we have plotted on a PV, that is pressure volume chart. From 1 to 2, the temperature of ice increases from minus 20 to 0 degrees Celsius. So when the temperature increases and ice is solid, we all know that volume will increase. So point 1 to 2 pressure is constant, but volume increases from point this to point this. Now from 2 to 3, the ice melts into water. We all know that when ice melts into water, its volume decreases. It's only a peculiar case with ice that its volume decreases. So volume decreases from point 2 to point 3. Now when it is heated further, now it has converted into water at point 3. When it is heated further from 3 to 4, the temperature of water starts increasing from 0 degree to 100 degrees Celsius. Similarly, from 4 to 5, now when water has reached at temperature of 100 degrees Celsius at point 4 and it is heated further, we all know that it will be converted into vapors. So there will be a vast increase in volume. See, from point 4 to point 5, there is large change in volume. These dotted lines, they represent that is the gap is very vast. From point 4 to point 5, there is large change in volume, and from point 6 to point 5 to point 6, the vapors which were formed at point 5, its temperature increases from point 5 to point 6 and its volume also increases. So point 2, point 3, point 4 and point 5, these are all known as saturation states. A saturation state is a state from which a change of phase may occur without a change in pressure or temperature. At point 2 there was a phase change, at point 3 there was a phase change, at point 4 and at point 5 there is always a phase change. Now this PV chart has been transferred from this chart to this chart. See, this is point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4 and point 6. Different constant pressure lines. It was a pressure of 1 atmosphere. Similarly, if we draw this same plot for 2 atmosphere, for 3 atmosphere, all these points, point 2, point 2, point 2, when these are plotted on single PV chart, we get what we all know, PV diagram, that is pressure volume diagram. It's in a dome shaped. The top of the dome is known as critical state, that is where saturated liquid line and saturated vapor line they meet. It's called critical state. So friends, This was all about PV diagram, how a PV diagram is formed for a pure substance, and we have taken example of water. Similarly, for other substances, PV diagram can be drawn. Thank you very much for watching this video.